Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I'm bringing you one of the biggest new features of the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and that is the privacy display. So real quick, privacy displays have been around for a long time through screen protectors, and the idea is if someone is on the right or left side of you, they cannot look at your screen. It is kept private. But it's always come with the downfall that has really made me never want to buy one. And the big downside is your screen quality isn't as good. It's not as bright, it's not as vibrant. I've always noticed it, and I've never liked screen protectors with privacy because of that. However, with this technology, it's actually built into the screen. So Samsung has actually fixed the issue that I've always had with privacy displays. So now if you have, say, an NDA, something that no one else can see to the left or right of you, and you want to stay protected while in public, this is a really good feature. Or if you have a significant other that you're trying to hide stuff from, be on the lookout. But seriously, the whole idea behind this is really smart. You can have privacy when you need it, and it is on the app level. Meaning they were showing us the display of the S25 Ultra and the S26 Ultra, and you could literally see the difference if someone would text you, the notification can be blocked off. So you can do it on an app level. Also, when the Messages app was fully pulled up, again, the S26 Ultra was blacked out, but as soon as you pressed home on both of them, the S26 Ultra displayed regular. And there was one funny thing I discovered when other influencers try to take photos and videos of the phone and taking it with the phone. And that is maximum privacy display, which is a feature this phone does have, has all the pixels turned on, so blacks in OLED become gray. And the screen just overall looks a little bit too tinted for my opinion. I would only do this if you really are paranoid about someone looking at your phone, but otherwise the regular privacy display is very easy. And I do like that they made it a primary button that you can push on and off very quickly. So this is really the best way to have a privacy display without having to get a screen protector that will take away from the anti-reflection and the brightness of your phone. Make sure to subscribe because we're going to have all of the features that stand out on the S26, as well as a lot of samples from the phone itself. Thank you as always so much for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Also, follow me on social media at YouTube Tech Guy. And check out some more great tech videos on your screen right now.